We'd sink into our seats right as we did the problem sets. A tri-colored world of markers and whiteboards. It called me to do OChem and learn everything. Without an A+ to my name, walk to class, here I came. Would be brave or just insane, we'll have to see. This may be in this Quaker town, I'll sit one day. The grades are up, you'll see my A and think of how I conquered OChem. In P1 when I'm learning from the best, by learning all the mechanistic steps. And I will not back down, I'll get up off the ground. As morning rolls around and it's another day to study. City of paintings, they are awesome, can't you see? Guided by substituents and aromaticity. Who knows? It could be ortho, meta, or para-directed. And now halides are added with catalysts. City of alkenes, just one thing every pi bond wants. Addition of electrons, that could be through hydroboration, oxidation. It's anti-Markovnikov with syn addition.